sir. Good boy.
All right, we're rolling.
All right, Mitch. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shoot me and I swear to God I will kill one of you.
Shut up, Rick.
Did you drop your battery? Oh. I love how Mitch is using a pistol and you're just going full auto with the 400 FPS AK-47.
Did I get you?
Pistols match. Mitch, you look like a marshmallow. Did that hit you?
I got him.
How many hits before he's down?
What?
3.
3. Wait, what?
3 hits before you're dead. Mitch is like, whatever. I'm gonna take a seat. Mitch, I think you're out. Let's say 6 hits. Because this is ridiculous. Are you ready to surrender yet? Did you get hit? Rape. Do you know what that is called, Mitch? That's called surprise butt sex. Are you out? Adam, see his fighter for a second. Pistol. Have fun. Yes, of course it's. Don't just throw it on the ground. I think that's a hit.
I hit you. Okay then.
Okay then. Oh, Mitch didn't know that this has a set of extra thing in there. I hit him. I saw it.
Unloading.
This is why you always carry a magazine and a bigger magazine. Son of a bitch. Mitch, get out from behind the tree! Gonna set that down. I'm gonna reload the pistol.
Oh, I got you. I heard that one. You heard that one?
How many hits before you're down? Seriously.
3.
3?
I got him. I can.